Utikana na roboti mwanchu murigireria omurai gose uyo tenereta aba cabinet secretary ga Kenya Musalia Mudavadi niganya reko bakagote babuna nigo eserekali ya Kenya robiti gukora amonchorerio yechiruga ase chinse isaronemo aiga Africa abwase nabo igamenta buna eserekali niga bigitege kuba muto guchikwaneke buna Raila Odinga ngonyorare okoboko buna aguchikurwanire kerokeria Africa Union chinga kechechio omurai wazimio la umoja Raila Odinga niganyara ko bakahote abuna abasani baye bayimono na banya tuko bakumusaba irindanya ko bagauchikurwanirira Ekerogo kya Africa Union nabigo nanyara ko bagakurira sabwate babuna nigarachiko ko bakakorega siaye ase wanchiriria konde wonsi gotayo Abednego Migika nanyara ko bakagotwariganirira robotoro asenchera wikirana
Eserekali ya Kenya nigera sino murobererio boko mwakere debe osekomo siro murai wekiama kiazimio Raila Odinga asekoriga Ekerogo borogongo ru Africa.
Team is firming up preparatory and application documents together with requisite translations of the resume into 6 AU languages. That is French, English, Kiswahili, Arabic, Portuguese, and Spanish. This should be ready for submission to the AU Secretariat by the end of June 2024. An empirical campaign strategy has been developed, which includes identifying opportunities, challenges, and risks that our candidature faces.
Asege karaso nabasaki korwa chinyomba chioboraria nigorera tebabuna nigasabetwe nabasania gocha Korigia Ekerogo borogongo ru Africa asenga chanabo atebomanyi.
I'm a Kenyan, and as I mentioned, nobody has asked me. The Kenya government did not ask me. I made a decision myself that I want to offer myself to serve the continent. And as you know, you cannot run for this position without being sponsored by your country. Your candidature is not valid until your country has said yes.
Nigora iraruro kwene kiabuna nabegotomo kia nobumanyi bwaye nobwamate bwenseyosia ere kwene kiabuno nyarire kobwa Ekerogo borogongo ru Africa.
I shared with the government team the situation and my levels of preparation from outside the government. I assured the team that on my own, I'm making every effort, tapping into my experience, relationships, and understanding of the continent to win the support of as many nations as I can. With committed and proper coordination between my team and the government, we should be able to clinch the seat.
He reported the amazing voice of victory.